Ever stare down an ATM screen, heart pounding, only to be met with a cruel withdrawal limit reached message? Yeah, us too. Especially when you're that friend who always forgets their wallet and needs to pull out cash for that epic group dinner. Awkward. But hey, that's why we love the convenience of ATMs, right? Except for that pesky limit. So, if you're a Tangerine customer wondering what your ATM limit is, you've come to the right place. We're about to break it all down for you. Tangerine 101, Banking Done Differently. Before we dive into limits, let's chat a bit about Tangerine. They're an online bank in Canada, offering checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and more. The big draw? They focus on low fees and putting more money back in your pocket. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But there are some things to consider, especially when it comes to accessing your cash, like ATM limits. The daily grind, understanding Tangerine's ATM limits. Alright, enough with the suspense. Tangerine has a daily ATM withdrawal limit of $1,200. That means in a 24-hour period, you can hit the ATM and take out up to $1,200 from your checking or savings account. Not bad, right? It covers most everyday needs, groceries, that sudden urge to buy concert tickets, you get the idea. Hold up, there's more. Limits beyond the daily grind. But wait, there's more to the ATM limit story than meets the eye. While $1,200 is the standard daily withdrawal limit, there are a couple of other things to keep in mind. Account balance, this one's a no-brainer. You can't withdraw more than you actually have in your account. So, if you're rocking a grand total of $800, that's your max withdrawal, even if it's not a full day yet. Overdraft protection, got overdraft protection set up on your Tangerine account? This can affect your withdrawal limit. If you have overdraft, you might be able to access a bit more than the standard $1,200 daily limit. But remember, overdraft comes with fees, so use it wisely. Beyond Tangerine's ATMs, the Interact network. Here's a cool perk for Tangerine users. Their debit card works with the Interact network, which is basically a giant network of ATMs across Canada. This means you can access your cash at most ATMs, not just Tangerine-specific ones. However, there's a catch. Foreign ATM fees. While Interact rocks for convenience, using your Tangerine card at a non-Tangerine ATM might come with fees. These can be a combination of fees charged by the ATM owner and a $2 fee from Tangerine itself. Bummer, right? So, if you can avoid non-Tangerine ATMs, it's best for your wallet. Pro tip, stay informed, stay in control. Want to stay on top of your ATM withdrawals and avoid any surprises? Here are a couple of tips. Tangerine mobile app. The Tangerine mobile app is your best friend. You can check your account balance anytime, anywhere, so you always know how much cash you can realistically withdraw. Call Tangerine. Got questions or want to discuss changing your ATM limits? Give Tangerine a call. Their customer service is pretty awesome, and they can help you out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.